Revolutionize your videos with a free AI video editor and text-to-speech AI. Ever wondered what it would be like to revolutionize your videos without spending a dime and without the hassle of complex installations? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution that's about to transform your content creation game? Buckle up as we embark on an epic journey through the world of video editing like you've never seen before. Ladies and gentlemen, video enthusiasts and aspiring content creators, prepare to be swept away by a story that transcends the ordinary and sets the stage for a revolutionary transformation. Today in Virtual Reality James, we extend an invitation to embark on an extraordinary adventure with us as we dive into the compelling journey of how a game-changing free AI video editor and text-to-speech AI tool are reshaping the video landscape. Imagine a world where your videos can be transformed into cinematic masterpieces without breaking the bank or downloading any software. In this tutorial here in Virtual Reality James, we unveil the remarkable story of how a group of innovators dared to dream beyond the confines of conventional video editing. So fasten your seatbelts, content creators, and visual storytellers, because we're about to unveil the untold story of how a group of daring innovators is changing the game of video editing with free AI tools. Get ready to witness the fusion of technology, passion, and creative brilliance that is reshaping the world of video content. This is a story you won't want to miss. So, first things first, we need to get you on board with this free, no installation required video making marvel. Head over to the Augie AI video generator website and you'll find the golden ticket in the video description. Click that sign up here button, enter your details, and hit create account. Voila, you're in. Once you're in, you'll have access to a wide range of features and tools that will empower you to create stunning videos with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video creator, Augie AI has got you covered with its intuitive interface and user-friendly design. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life like never before. Part 2, from blank canvas to video magic. Now that you're in the club, let's dive into the magic of creating videos with this awesome AI tool. Whether you're a video expert or a newbie, you're in for a treat. Augie AI takes the guesswork out of video editing by providing a wide range of templates and customizable options. With just a few clicks, you can transform a blank canvas into a professional-looking video that will impress your audience. Get ready to explore endless possibilities and take your videos to the next level with Augie AI. Once you're logged in and snug as a bug in the Augie AI dashboard, you've got some choices to make. Create a video from scratch, use existing audio or video, or even cook up some magic from an existing script. Let's keep things exciting and choose the I'm starting from scratch option, shall we? By selecting the I'm starting from scratch option, you have the freedom to unleash your creativity and bring your unique vision to life. Augie AI provides a user-friendly interface with a wide range of tools and features to help you craft a visually stunning and engaging video that captures your audience's attention. Your video needs some personality, right? Let's set the mood by defining the video objectives, target audience, location, and voice tone. Think of it as the foundation for your video masterpiece. Now, type in your thoughts using natural language and hit Let's Go to start the AI script wizardry. With Augie AI, you can easily customize your video by choosing from a wide range of templates, transitions, and effects. Whether you want to create a professional business presentation or a fun social media clip, Augie AI has got you covered. It's time to bring your vision to life and make an impact with your audience. Part 3, Craftsmanship and the voice of AI. Now that you've got your script cooking, let's take it up a notch. AI is about to lend its voice to your creative genius. With Augie AI, you can choose from a variety of voices that perfectly match the tone and style of your video. Whether you want a smooth and professional voice or a quirky and energetic one, Augie AI has the right voice for you. Get ready to add that extra touch of professionalism and personality to your videos with the power of AI. The script generation process is done, and you've got a story to tell. If you want to tweak it to perfection, now's the time. If the first AI voiceover isn't quite your jam, don't worry, Just hit back and try again until you find the one. AI has an impressive cast of voice actors ready to bring your script to life. Hit preview to hear the magic, and if it's music to your ears, proceed. If you only need the voiceover, you can download it separately. You're in the director's chair now, so go with your gut. Part 4. Turn time to flip the script. Let's make sure your video is facing the right way. Orientation mastery. Want to change the way your video looks? No problem. Just hit change for the desired orientation, and it's a simple next to keep the show rolling. All right, fellow creators, we've come a long way in our video revolution journey. Now, quick check-in. Who's already dreaming up their next blockbuster video with this fantastic AI tool? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's keep this creative train rolling. Part 5. Picking the perfect pictures. What's a video without perfect visuals, right? Let's pick the right ingredients to spice up your creation. This is where the fun begins. Choose from suggested video or image sources, or if you've got a particular vision, specify your keywords. Your video, your rules. Hit next, and let's keep this party going. Part 6. Checking the final act. We're getting closer to your video masterpiece. It's time for a quick check before the grand finale. Review and render. Make sure your script, orientation, and visuals are all in sync. Once you're satisfied, give that create button a little love tap and watch the magic unfold. Part 7. The editor's lair. The video's in the bag, but now it's time to add that personal touch. Let's head into the editor's den. Creative control. Your video opens up in the AI video editor where you can easily edit, change, or enhance different parts. Pick a scene, click Select Media, and choose from various sources. You can even upload your own content or let AI work its magic for artful visuals. Part 8. The words and the story. It's all about the details. Let's add a little flair to the script and some captions for that extra oomph. Script tweaks. Don't quite like a line in your script? No worries, edit it to perfection. And for our accessibility-conscious creators, add those closed captions to make your video even more inclusive. Before we wrap up this epic video transformation, remember, the world of AI-driven creativity is at your fingertips. If you're as excited as we are about reshaping your content game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our creative community here at Virtual Reality James. We have weekly videos launching covering the topics of AI, VR, and all new tech updates. If there's a topic you want covered, comment the details below and your article could be featured on our next tech video update. Until next time, stay inspired and keep those cameras rolling.